The Conti NG C has an auto on-off function, which puts the machine in and out of eco mode automatically, saving you energy and reducing running costs. To set up auto on-off, enter eco mode by pressing and holding button 5 on the left side group, then pressing button 3 at the same time. Now press button 5 to access the main menu, scroll right to highlight the calendar icon, and press button 5 to access the time and date menu. Scroll down to auto on-off, then press button 5 to edit. You can now change the time for the machine to turn on at first, then a time for turning off. You can also program a full day where the machine stays in eco mode, just in case your site closes. Once you're happy with the times and the day you have set, press button 3 3 times to go back to eco mode. When the menu guide disappears, press button 3 to exit eco mode. This concludes the auto on-off settings on the Conti NG C. For more tutorials that you might find useful, why not visit the NGC playlist on our YouTube channel.